So we'll go to a data analytics and data visualization half an hour, and through this way we take 1 hour as per the instruction of madam. 11:40 to 12:45. Agree, ma'am?
Till 1 also.
Till 1, okay? Perfect.
Because we want, like, for the tools, for the analytics, we want more and more.
So, I don't know how much we can be successful into that, but yes, we'll give you some. If you're looking like a tool part, then my best suggestion is we have to sit in a lab part. The reason being is then manipulation and indications of the data and looking to the outcome is very easy. If we are looking over here, laptop at least is not a suitable device for any, especially tool processing. Okay, fine. Let's come back. Thank you very much for the session 1. In fact, I'm sorry, time really goes very fast. Really very goes fast. So let's start it with the analytics part. I'll give you some tips into analytics which you can get it through your mobile very easily initially, and then well, what is analytics? So I believe analytics is a graphical representation. You can call it a graphical representation to resuming the reports details of a table. Alright, this is all analytics. Even I would like to say that analytics is we'll come down direct to analytics because it goes too high to you. So yes. We have started the data engineering like different formats of the data you clubbing, and you are giving it into a one part. Now into the big data analytics, we are just giving you some tools name. I think you are aware of that tool, but if possible, one of the tool you can have a detailed workshop on YouTube also it is available. Also you can call a open workshop. So big data analytics, I'll take half an hour time to this, and followed by visualization half an hour. Exactly 1 hour time will take. Unstructured data contain the different multiple type of data, and unstructured data is a generic label for describing data that is not contained in a database for some other type of data structure. What is the minimum requirement for big data analytics or data analytics? You should well versed with the table. First, you should be well versed with DBMS. Basics, I'm not asking you should be very good in DBMS, but at least basics. And then how you move with the large scale of data, that we are going to discuss over here. Still, you people may be confusing with the unstructured data. What is the unstructured data and a structured data? Taking a 2-column and a data, is it a structured data or unstructured data? 2-column and a data, simple. Take as a 1 column and a data. Is it structure or unstructured?
Both are structured, sir.
Unstructured.
So when we calling unstructured means what?
It's not
Without
linear form.
Without any
So
sequential form.
That's what I'm asking. So if it is a 1 column and I fill somewhere name, somewhere roll number, somewhere alphanumeric, somewhere I can call, so it is a structure.
No, sir.
Then tell me what is structure first.
So if it doesn't yield any result.
A structure means each data or
Okay,
each,
let me come a simple way. Name and roll number.
yeah.
One full title with a name, one full title of the roll number. Is it structure? आपको क्या समझ में आता? What do you understand by structure first?
If both are related to each other, then a structure, sir. If I write a name in first cell and write the roll number in another cell like 12, 13, then it is not a structure, sir.
आप DBMS से मत देखिए इसको. You look at the data analytic parts. So when you are going in a data analytic part, when you have 1 lakh column, 1 lakh rows, and into that you have a different numeric values into that. Then how you are going to claim that? You simply looking in the top of the table.
For that complete data, we need to define different attributes.
A schema.
See, it's again long. I am telling only 2 row, even 1 row. 1 row. Take it a single row, 1 lakh rows, single column, 1 lakh row, 1 lakh tuples, even better word.
At that time, so they are not a structure. They are
That is what I am asking. आपको
unstructured, sir. It is an unstructured data.
So relevance.
Okay, let me tell one thing, another part. When you call unstructured or a structured, it completely depends upon how you are mapping your table to your graphical user interface to outcome. बिल्कुल simple way में आप समझिए इसको पहले. The moment you make Excel file, the moment you make a GUI picture, when you enter a data, you are able to fetch a data, whether the data is coming in whatever form is a structured form. आप यहाँ से start कीजिए. Sir, suppose you have entered a name and a roll number. Even in the roll number alphanumeric you have entered. In answer, what will come? Alphanumeric will only come. Can you change it? You cannot change it. So while the defining the table itself, you have made a table clearly with the 2 rows, then the login ID will give the 2 rows only. If they are mapping, you call it a starting phase of structured. Why you call it unstructured? And when you are calling it unstructured, then according to you, what is a structure? Don't be confused so much. After some simple DBMS program, yes.
If we have textual data, numeric data, there are different types of data we are available. When we collide them or fix them in one table, then it becomes structured.
Sir, you are right. I am simple. Please, let me first connect. Let me first connect, then you can discussion. Then you can participate in discussion. Listen. A simple screen of HTML. Let us not take a big table. Simple screen of HTML where you are using login ID and password. There itself you are defining number of conditions. What can be, what cannot be. By the time can be, cannot be is a part of validation, their job, it is not your job. Once the validation is fixed, the person is going to enter a data one time. If the data is taken, then only that data will be fetched and validate for you. अब बिल्कुल 2 rows से start कीजिए पहले. You don't look very high level. जो हम अभी unstructure की बात कर रहे हैं, that can be of anything. But अभी जो मैं आप DBMS की बात कर रहा हूँ, वहाँ से आप इसको connect करो. Got my point?
ये बोल रहे हैं कि suppose for example जैसे आपने बोला एक column, 2 column. अगर एक column में हमने text भी ले लिया, audio भी ले लिया,
You cannot.
तो that is
cannot. You cannot take. How you can take?
Can we say, sir, if we are able to access easily, it is a structure, otherwise it is not?
Sir, first आप बिल्कुल ground root पे समझिए. There is a query in SQL. Create table, table, table name, column, then column, then column, then, and then you are enter the restrictions. Once you have done, you cannot put anything. आप वहाँ पर restrict हो गए. What we are discussing is a vague. What I am discussing is a technical part. आपने बोला मैं कुछ भी डालूँ, आप कैसे डालेंगे? Tell me first. You cannot. हम structure को unstructure की तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं. तो unstructure क्या है? There is a one table with the 4 column. There is a one table with 2 column. There is a one table with 10 column. There is a one table with just 1 column. Now each different table you are dragging the data into a one. Think that way. आप एक टेबल पे तो इतना we don't need to think much. You cannot enter. Can we enter any value by our own way without defining the table? No.
No.
Then each the table, whatever the data you have taken, it is as per the definition of the table SQL. Where is a unstructured? You have many table and fetching the information from many table to one place. There is a difficulty. There it is not easy. आपने join पढ़े ना, inner join, outer join,
Yes, sir.
and then you have trigger. So while you are trigger, the difficulty come. Creating table is not a problem. आप उसमें एक row लीजिए, 10 row लीजिए, 50 row ले लीजिए. But when you are trigger, when you are moving it as a view, am I able to view only what you wanted? There is a difficulty. So unstructured is that. आपको did you get it clear what I am trying to tell you?
Yes,
See. As a student हम सब लोगों को what we have to think first, what is a client need? फॉरगेट इट ऑल, मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. यू थिंक यू आर ए वन ग्रेट एम्प्लॉय ऑफ ए कंपनी वेयर यू आर सिटिंग विद ए डेटाबेस. You have to give a outcome according to the client need. So what is a client need? Client says that you have so many table, among them I wanted only this information. Now your mind starts from structure to unstructured. That is what I want to draw your attention. So we'll move it and it's written over there. More than 90% of the social media data is unstructured. Why I am saying 90% of the data of social media is unstructured? Again, when the social media itself is a CMS. You understand CMS? Content Management System. Social media is a content management system. एक ऐप क्या है? Facebook अगर आप ले रहे हैं या Instagram आप जो ले रहे हैं और YouTube जो आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, what is exactly that? A content management system which comes with a certain features to the end user. So you have your profile. After that, what you can do? You have given a small box, and that box what can take? How? And that all data from different sources you want to drag. How you can? That is unstructured. So what we are thinking is a different. What we are taking it now is a different. Okay, great. Now little bit more clarity. When you call is unstructured data, then here you get a glimpse of big data. First, you get a glimpse of big data. Like I started my story earlier, we are only using a 1.44 MB and now even the 1 TB hard disk is small. So every minute, when more than 6,000 pictures are shared on a social media sites and 200 million emails sent. So the question is, when that much data is in the circulation, how you are going to analyze the content? यहाँ से you can have some data analytics part. Okay, how the data analytics parts you can take? When every minute there are, and this is again assumption. It could be more than that. It could be more than that. When there are more than 6,000 pictures shared on social media, it is an assumption, again I am telling you, and 200 million emails are sent. How you are going to analyze the social contents as a tweet or a Facebook post or a review or certain customer perspective? It's very important part, even into the company end also. Unstructured data is not well organized or easy to access, but company who analyze the data and integrate it into their information management landscape can significantly improve the employee productivity. Well, our question is, let us see first line. We are really nowadays, each one of us, addict if we are giving more than 2 hours to 4 hours on mobile. If I look personally mine, I am giving it more than 6 hours, even it is not big, out of 24 hours. Mostly time I am busy on mobile. Maybe I am emailing, I am reading Facebook, I am on Instagram, I am on YouTube, even I am at Google. Still it comes under the number 1. And like we are taking a photos and all and gearing it to the next level. The question comes quickly in front of us. Okay, from here, first analysis. How to analyze the story? How to analyze? Okay, यहाँ से आपको let me check a new word. Can anyone tell me about how to quickly check the response of a particular tweet which is highly trending? एक general way में आपको forget about mathematics, forget about the computer engineering. Say you are an art student. Okay, fine. You may be a great historian or you may be a great politician, whatever it is. You want to view your post quickly, then what is the answer? My question, how many of you are admin of any page? Maybe Instagram or maybe Facebook, maybe group, maybe, are you admin of anyone or not? No. Yes, no. Yes. Who? You? You are admin of? Tell me. You are admin of what?
WhatsApp group.
Sir, WhatsApp group do not give good analytics. WhatsApp. No.
पेज का बोल रहे सर हाँ any group
Facebook, Instagram.
नहीं Facebook यूज नहीं करते.
आप हैं? Great. So Instagram पे कभी collaboration किया आपने? So great. I must be. Sir, what's your name? Huh? Okay, great. I just want to know, like, when you are admin of your channel. Your channel is there. How many followers are there? 5,000 followers. So thousands are not big demand.
मैं बता
Now, earlier we think 5,000 is a big, but now it's very, very less. Okay, let me talk in terms of analytics. What you can see behind what a general user cannot see?
बहुत जल्द सो जाएंगे.
What? Okay. Let me give a title to you. Track your users. General. Track your users. यहाँ से start करेंगे हम analytics को. That is what I'm asking. आप वही नहीं कुछ भी बोलिए मेरे को. That is what they wanted to know, which I cannot show over here. Sir, वही तो analytics है. That is what I'm trying to give to my audience, and there you can help me as an admin. आप एक बार इधर आइए. एक बार इधर तो आइए. Please don't worry. You can help me really in a big way. You have your mobile, right? Yes or no? Okay, fine. I'll not ask you to big screen it. We are not interested in any personal, but we'll just you come and just read the few words of admin which a personal person cannot see it. He is an admin, but I would definitely like to see. No, not everyone. Just I want to see. This is a channel. You show me. So purpose is it start a baby step. Analytics means even I tell each one of you, you have a Gmail account. You can start a blog first. It is a free of cost. And once you start a blog, you start tracking a baby step of analytics. Who are watching your blog? How many countries your blogs is hit? What are the way your blog is trending? What are the things you can do? And then I will give you some new tips into that. So first analytics part is how quickly take the graph. आपको उसके डिटेल में भी नहीं जाना है. Nobody asking you to make a table and plot a graph. We are asking you the graph is ready. And based on that we take our interpretations. Huh? So let me check quick.
लॉगिन क्लियर करो
कनेक्ट टू वाईफाई
इससे तो वाई ये चलेगा ही नहीं इसका.
वाईफाई से कनेक्ट
नहीं मानो वाईफाई
Okay. आपका 3G इसमें नहीं चलता है.
हां तो नहीं सर
नो मानो वाईफाई.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much. So let me tell you, I give you very, very simple steps to you. आप लोग at least if each one of you are a learner, whether a graduate, postgraduate or PhD, you start your blog first. It is a free of cost. And it takes just a 2 minute, not even a third minute will take. Wherever your interest goes, you post that content onto them. Nobody is going to bound you. But then this one word you can get how the analytics is going to work for you. Okay. So we'll assuming that that much pictures are going to share on internet. How many of you know about the recently one deep fake? One person has one celebrity face was changed. Some say Maulana or all. I don't know the detail, but some IT cyber cell till that matter goes on. So how you came to know that analytics is going very high for that post particularly?
By views.
By
Same views.
by views.
Most probably.
What else? 5 people are there. All the 5 have given the post into their pages and people are looking. How I know as a Maulana who is helping me and who is putting me in trouble. You got my point. When we call views of what? What views? आपको थोड़ा सा फिल्टर करना है यहाँ पर एनालिटिक्स पार्ट में. Like he is an admin of his account. You shared his account and your followers are more than his. How he is going to benefit from that? This is a part of analytics. हम लोग analytics यहाँ से start करते हैं. So first part is you need to have a good imbibe of understanding graphs. And for your information, I want to tell you the graphs are very simple initially, but as it prolong, as it go a little long, detail and all, it become a very messy and hard to categorize. Initially it is easy. When you look 1 week, okay. When you look 1 month, okay. But when you look for a 1 year, it is really quite difficult for you to project that. So in the big data analytics, we have that type of unstructured data. You want to know, sir, I want to know like the crop pics. So how to get it from internet? From internet you can get lakhs of crop pics. But how you are going to analyze it? So in such case, the best way is you have to go on a ready-made data